cash award and a Swarna Kankan and citation will be given this time to Mr. Shah Rukh Khan. A date also has been finalized on February 25th in same Marriott Hotel. We are having this very glorious function. So I thank all jury members, Mr. Bani Kapoor, Ramji, and Padmini and Shashi and Anand for having spare time and decided. And I am very grateful to all the press for having spare time. And though it's a little late, these are unexpectedly happened. So we want all your cooperation. And the entire nation observes. Now the fourth national award who is getting, this time Shah Rukh Khan is getting. Thank you to all. And to honor USG, to keep his memory alive, this has been instituted. In fact, Shah Rukh, who has been unanimously decided to be bestowed with this award, has been very, very closely associated with USG. Ippadati Subramania Reddy Garu in memory of USG. I wish Subramania Reddy Garu many more such endeavors to promote cultural activities in the field of entertainment. Thank you very much, Reddy Garu, and we hope this tradition continues for as long as we all live.
All of us in all these endeavors. Thank you very much, Mr. Subramania Reddy, and I wish you all the very best for this wonderful endeavor. Thank you.
I especially must mention Anu Ranjan and Shashi Ranjan play always very important role in organizing the Memorial Award as the members of jury and also in organizing the function. I request Anu Ranjan to.
Just that now we're in our fourth year, and the awards have very, very well been received by everybody in the industry, and we are so happy to be associated with it, and we thank Subi sir for ensuring that we're a part of this year on year, and thank you Pam ma'am also for your solid support, and hopefully just about everybody associated with the Yash Raj banner is going to be here as a recipient in the years to come. Thank you.
Pam Chopra, Mrs. Yash Chopra, she is the spirit behind Yash Raj films, and today we feel proud of Yash Raj films which was started by Yash Chopra ji. Today, the Adi Chopra has made in the country #1 production company and doing big, great films. So his son also is following same father's spirit, and of course, mother is everywhere behind every success. I request Pam ji to speak.
Good evening. First of all, I must apologize for this delay. It was caused only by me. I'm a very unpunctual person. Please do forgive me. I have really nothing else to add. Everything that needs to be said has been already said. So I look forward to the awards, and I look forward to seeing you all there. Okay, thank you.
We have a small AV.
So February 25th,
Much deserved recipient मैं कहना चाहूँगी क्योंकि Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, despite of the onslaught of superheroes, thrillers, ये वो जितने भी एक्शन हीरोज वगैरह देखा जाए, इसके बावजूद वो अपनी पोजीशन मेंटेन करते आ रहे हैं और इसके अलावा एज अ पर्सन, एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग ही इज़ वेरी हम्बल, ही इज़ ह्यूमिलिटी पर्सोनिफाइड, और आज भी देखा जाए तो अपने सीनियर्स को बहुत रिस्पेक्ट देते हैं और जिस तरह से पेश आते हैं इज़ रियली वेरी वेरी हाउ टू से वर्दी ऑफ द काइंड ऑफ पर्सन ही इज़। और मैं कहूँगी मतलब उन्होंने मेरे ख्याल में अपने ही बल पर आज जो भी हैं वो अपने ही बल पर वो बने हैं और इज़ अ वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग पर्सन, जितना भी सुनते हैं उनके बारे में, वेरी डेडिकेटेड पर्सन। उनको कोई भी चाहे वो एंकरिंग करें या सिनेमा में काम करें या टेलीविज़न शो पर जाएं, जितनी मेहनत वो लेते हैं, मेरे ख्याल में बहुत कम ऐसे एक्टर हैं, बहुत कम ऐसे लोग हैं जो इतनी मेहनत करते हैं। And I think he has been declared one of the most popular and persons in the film industry, but in the world. And वो एक ऐसी हस्ती है जो हिंदी सिनेमा को ग्लोबल लेकर गए हैं। यश जी के साथ बहुत सारी मेमोरीज, हालांकि मैं कहूँगी उनके साथ एक फ़िल्म करते करते रह गई मैं, बट एक बहुत ही एक खामी है मेरी ज़िंदगी में कि मैं उन्हीं के साथ फ़िल्म नहीं कर पाई। बट एज अ पर्सन, एज अ फिल्म मेकर उनको देखती आ रही हूँ और देखती आई हूँ, तो बहुत ही मतलब क्या कहें यश जी के बारे में। आई थिंक बहुत सारी यादें हैं, बहुत सारी यादें हैं उनके साथ। जब मैं फ़िल्म करने जा रही थी तो उनका जो एक मतलब वो जैसे एक छोटा बच्चा होता है ना, उस तरह से पेश आते थे। मतलब एक एक्साइटेड डायरेक्टर, फिल्म मेकर, उतना ही जुनून, उतना ही प्यार अपने आर्टिस्टों के लिए। तो यश जी के क्या कहेंगे। ये फरवरी में करने जा रहे हैं, 25 फरवरी को। तो 25 फरवरी को लोग मेरे ख़्याल में बहुत उत्सुकता होगी लोगों में कि कब वो आएंगे इस शो में, क्योंकि सुबीरामी रेड्डी मतलब काफ़ी बड़े पैमाने पे, ही हिमसेल्फ इज़ अ शोमैन इन हिज ओन राइट। उनके काफ़ी अवार्ड्स हैदराबाद में भी होते हैं, उनके TV9 TVS सुबीरामी रेड्डी अवार्ड्स, जो बहुत बड़े पैमाने पे किए जाते हैं। ही इज़ ऑल्सो गोइंग टू डू द सेम प्रॉबेबली मुंबई में। और ये जो 4th अवार्ड जो करने जा रहे हैं वो भी मेरे ख्याल में बहुत ही बड़े पैमाने पर होगा। Thank you.
Notice we've only given it to icons, to people who will be legends tomorrow. Lata Mangeshkar is already a legend. Amitabh Bachchan is also already a legend. Rekha tomorrow will be definitely a legend, and Shah Rukh will no doubt be a legend. So that was the idea behind choosing this actor for this award. Plus, he's had a very close association with Yash ji, and Yash and he were very fond of each other. In fact, the last interview that Yash ever did was with Shah Rukh, and very memorable interview where he announced his retirement without even telling me. I was shocked. Anyway, so that's the only reason. The only reason why we give this award to an actor or an actress is because they represent what is best in their work.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.